If you want to share your Telegram link quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Telegram link, create one if you don't already have it, and then use it to open your chat window in a browser. This is a super simple process, but a lot of people miss one important step. You need a Telegram username before your personal link will work. So stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to share your Telegram profile link confidently and correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're inside, look for the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner. Tap or click that menu to open the main options. From there, select Settings. This is where Telegram keeps your profile and account details. Inside Settings, click on My Account. On this screen, you'll see the information connected to your profile, including your username if you already have one set up. Now, this part is very important. Look for the username section. If you already have a username, great bash, you can use it right away. If you do not have one yet, you'll need to create one first. Tap on the username field, choose a unique username, and save it. Keep in mind that your username is what makes your Telegram link work, because Telegram uses it to create a public URL for your profile. Once your username is saved, you're ready for the next step. Now open your browser and type t.me/username, but replace the word username with your actual Telegram username. For example, if your username is AlexTech, then your link would be t.me/AlexTech. This is your Telegram link, and it's the one you can share with other people so they can find you easily. When someone enters that link in a browser, it will take them directly to your Telegram chat window or profile page, depending on their device and Telegram setup. This makes it really easy to share your contact info without having to send your phone number. You can copy this link, paste it into messages, add it to your bio, or share it anywhere you want people to reach you. Just make sure your username is spelled correctly, because even a small typo will stop the link from working. If you ever want to change your link later, just update your Telegram username and your t.me link will change with it. So to recap, open the menu, go to Settings, tap My Account, check your username, create one if needed, and then use t.me followed by your username to generate your Telegram link. That's it. Now you know how to share your Telegram link the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.